careful around Gray. He's part cat. That means no potted plant is safe. And if you're not careful, neither are you. Well, that's what the hospital is for. Uh-oh, somebody's got bugs on the brain. It's okay. You're just gonna need a quick shave. Next, time for these roaches to find a hotel. Now let's deal with these negative emotions. You know, sometimes a little brainwashing's a good thing. Let's skip the lather and repeat and head straight to rinse. Now dry it off, like my sense of humor. And let's fill you up with some positive thinking. You've got your brain, Scarecrow. Ooh, can't forget the Band-Aid. Next up is a little dental checkup. Maybe you should get one more than twice a year. Besides, with this, you won't feel a thing. First, you could really use a good brushing. Now let's take care of any loose teeth. Looks like this might take a while. Ooh, the tooth fairy's gonna love you. Don't worry, we've got a lot of replacements. And this time, some braces to keep them in place. Much better. Now give us a smile. There's time for a little tooth care lesson. It's easy. Healthy food means healthy teeth. In other words, you are what you teeth.
Yay!
Next up, let's have some fun at the cafe. Avoid the junk food and grab the healthy stuff. Who says you can't play with your food? Uh-oh, that burger had extra mayo. Don't worry, I'm sure the doctor will fix you up. Ooh, good thing you're such an open book. Remember, everything has its place. Oh, liver, here you go, buddy. But maybe let's ditch all the junk food. Besides, we've got happiness on a silver platter. Who knew happiness looked so much like produce? And you probably still need those vital organs. Pretty soon, you'll be walking on air. Looks like it's Sprunki time again. But this time, it comes with a perfect twist. That's right, everybody wants to be a cat. Let the feline fun begin. Shine a light. Uh-oh, it looks like the claws are coming out. Okay, spray bottle, do your thing. Now let's take a trip to see where the real cool cats go. But things are getting dramatic. What's Black Cat up to? Oh no! He knows your combination! Or is that just his safe? Let's hope so, because he's making some withdrawals. That alarm makes me think it's not his. So that explains why he brought Orin along. You might be orange, but you've been caught red-handed. On the plus side, you already got an orange suit. Sort of. Don't worry, Orin. We'll sneak you a treat. And it's got a special surprise inside. I think we've got a problem. Don't worry, it's got to come out somehow. Get scooping. It's cheaper than hiring a lawyer. I would have worn gloves, but time is of the essence. Okay, kitty cat, make like a fox and sneak on out. Uh-oh, it's a maze in here, and it's a messy one. Careful, this maze is a really interactive one. Either we fire that Minotaur or get him a litter box. Hurry, Orin! We drew you a way out! Next up, a locked door. Looks like we've got to solve an equation. Got a calculator? Well, some combination must be right. Don't worry, we've got our minifigs to help. If you know how to count, adding's the next best step. Seriously, arithmetic's a slippery slope. See, we're already doing subtraction, and with bugs too. Just take away the number and count. Let's try 3. Aha! Just one more to go. Personally, I prefer multiplication when it comes to jewels. Well, I guess there's just one left standing. And we're on our way out of here. Bugs and doors? What, out of chutes and ladders? Either way, let's roll the dice. And maybe roll up a newspaper. A key! Think it'll come in handy? It did! Uh-oh, another bug! Where's that shoe? Step to it. And look, we got another key. One last bug left. And we've got something special, a shovel. The final door! Now ease on out of here. They say it's always good to feel wanted, but this feels like a good counter-argument. Well, guess someone's getting a makeover. A sombrero, a bow tie, and purple shoes. Looks like it's time for another makeover. Next, a cowboy hat, goofy glasses. Voila! Well, at least the cape matches the hat. Let's find Pinky and clear your name. Oh no, don't scream! See, it's just Orin. Yeah! Uh-oh, here comes the third wheel. Hey, are these two having a cat fight? Wow, fighting must be good exercise. Seriously, I can see right through them. In the end, only one cat is left standing. What a happy ending. Wait, we returned the jewels, right? If you have a heart, Sprunki's a part of you. But now, it's time for a little world building. Coca, You know what goes great with soda? Mints!
Uh-huh.
See? Now wasn't that a great explosion? Uh-oh! We're not supposed to get it wet! Maybe pressing more buttons will help.
Oops.
Well, I'm out of ideas. An SOS? Grab it! A door. Might as well go through it. You too, creepy guy. Wow, we're in a whole new world. Sensing a block theme. Was I wrong? Ooh, guess some assembly's required. Our Sprunki friends sure look great in 3D. But it's a shame they can't all be here. Ooh, I think Mr. Black's up to something. Ah, lightning. What can't it do? Orin, Sky, Binaria, they're alive! Alive! It's Night of the Living Sprunki! Oh, how are we going to save them? Now, Mr. Black, necromancy's very naughty. Wait, cola! The answer to all life's problems! Once again, soda has saved the day. Now, you guys go back to your dirt nap. And you guys go on to the next level. Or back to the start. There's no place like home. But our new button really opens doors. Time to grab your water wings. It's an ocean world. Talk about a big fish in a big pond. He's eating them up and leaving only tails, like an all-you-can-eat shrimp buffet. Of course, that appetite could be your undoing. Ooh, good thing he forgot to chew. We just need to match the heads to each body. Let's try again. It's simple. Match them by color. All better.
Yes.
Too bad it looks like stormy weather. Wouldn't call this a day at the beach. Quick, bring Semi-Hemi to the shore. Come on, air in, water out. Much better. Now let's fix that splitting headache. Another button. Let's try it out. You know the drill. Let's see what's behind the door. Wow, this place is for all you cool cats. Oh, you want to play hide and seek? Well, we've got a secret weapon for that. Pickled fish. And it's extra stinky. Come on, kitties, have a bite.
Wow.
Hey, look, there's a button in the pool. Ooh, what's Mr. Black up to now? No cats? Well, they usually don't do water. But how are we going to get the button? Those pipes could be the solution. You like the pool slide? How about a rock slide?
Oops.
Let's try the Scrooge McDuck route instead. I guess everybody has their price. Don't worry, kitties. We'll get our paws wet for you. Think we should drain the pool? The button! Let's try it out. It looks like a ratty theme. Wow! You're all interplanet Janets! And look! Maruna's lost her Wyram! Use your new superpowers to help! But where do we start? We should ask for clues. Okay, Mama Binaria, what's in the carry-on? Baby stuff. Okay, you can go. You're next, Top Hat. Is that a bomb? You have a right to remain silent. Use it. Hi, Aqua. Did you have worm for lunch?
Uh-oh.
We're gonna need to make a little incision. Reunited, and it feels so good. And looks like Mr. Black's getting a cellmate. How can she thank you? That'll do it.
Yes.
It's good to be back in the flesh. It looks like this one's got a pinky theme. Guess she's a fan of Minecraft. But Mr. Black's got special creepers. Quick, into that mining shaft. This is a Minecraft game. So, why don't we start mining? We just need to find the right treasures. Now we can really craft something good. A sword! Should we make more? Nah, Ratty's got this one covered. And that treasure chest is all ours. But this is all the treasure we need. We've got a button for Sky. A farm level, and you're all produce. Red apple, yellow lemon, pink peach, and a white orange? Why don't we fix that? Just need to mix a little red and yellow. Old MacDonald would be proud. Uh-oh! It looks like Mr. Black's in the mood for fruit salad. Hey! Oh, he's changed his mind. Now he's thinking smoothies. We gotta help! Just need to finish this drink. Quick, take the mix to our special dispenser. Popsicles? Well, at least they're solid. Now let's give you a taste of your own medicine. Ooh, we got a Mr. Black button. Looks like there's still one more level to go. Get your engines ready. It's a car level. Keep your eyes on the prize. A Simon button. It's not a race, but you gotta avoid the obstacles. Well, don't worry. We've still got 3 lives left. Pinky isn't having much luck either. Well, Simon, it's your button. Have a go. Remember,